Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Beta testing checklist, tips, and tricks. Here are some additional tips for making the most of beta testing and software testing. 1. Make documentation easier. The simpler it is for beta testers, of all kinds, to report the issues they run into, the more accurate and efficient the overall test process is. 2. Continue iterating on beta tests. Every beta test that a company undertakes should inform how they refine future checks to accommodate their usual projects. 3. Use automation sparingly. Though tactics like robotic process automation may have a significant positive impact on the team's beta tests, the team must implement this wisely. 4. Make testers sign an NDA. Private beta testers might be looking at sensitive software, and it's critical for organizations and developers to protect their interests. 5. Support beta testers. The company and its internal quality assurance staff should be available to assist with the beta test stage. This support can be invaluable. 6. Encourage tester freedom. Though this support is sometimes vital to guarantee thorough beta testing, it's also essential that the company lets the testers complete their checks at their own pace. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.